Okay. Do you need some help?
Yes.
Okay, let's see.
Let's see the toy.
Oh, boy, we might need a knife or something.
A knife?
Yeah, I don't know.
Hi, Daddy. What is?
Yeah, hold on, bud. Whoa. Let's see, keep opening. What are you doing with it? Okay, is that where that goes? What? A present?
Yes. Open it. Get it out.
Okay. What's it say? Is it for you? Let me see. It says, to Avery, love Grandma.
You opened it.
Okay, you got to rip this. There you go. You can do it. Look at the side here. You can rip it from right there. Dig in.
Cut this.
Keep here. I'll. There you go. Use your muscles. Rip. You want me to take it? Sure. Okay. Should we make a pile? Okay. Oh boy, it's double wrapped. Yeah. Look at.
Open this. Open this.
Okay, there's more paper on it. Sheesh. It's making you work for it. Grandma really knows how to wrap stuff, doesn't she?
Semi-catch box. See what's in it. Open. See what's. This is the semi-catch.
Wow.
Semi-catch. Have any? Oh.
Wow.
One.
A carrier one? Neat.
Open it.
Okay.
Open this one.
I will. Is it a pretty cool one, bud?
Yes.
Can you turn it around? Let's see what it looks like. Ooh, it's green.
Semi-catch.
Thank you, Grandma.